Few days ago, SwitchBot released a brand new version of their tiniest robot vacuum cleaner called SwitchBot K10 Pro. I have here both the regular K10 Plus and the new one, K10 Pro, and I'll put them to a test to see which one is better in terms of performance and cost. And here I want to share that SwitchBot sent me these two robots for an honest review, but as usual they don't put any words in my mouth. And in fact they're seeing this video at the same time as you do. So, with that being said, let's start with what's new. From a bird's eye view, SwitchBot K10 Pro is having the following improvements over the previous model. A matter standard support, stronger suction power, brand new tangle-free rubber brush, and much better corner cleaning capabilities, all of that collected in the same size and weight. But are these things really useful and much of an improvement? Let's see them one by one, starting with the better corner cleaning capabilities. I've built a simple racetrack and I'll put both K10 Plus and K10 Pro to see how they will go through it and which one will clean the edges and corners better. This is my test setup. Don't laugh too much. It is stronger than it looks. And also it is very real because, let me show you guys, this space right here is very tiny and only this SwitchBot K10 Pro can go. If I try with the same with a regular sized robot like this one, it will just not fit. Not here, not here, nowhere. But this is not a problem at all for the tiny K10 Pro and K10 Plus. I said real because tight spaces are a common issue in typical homes. It is not very practical to move all of your chairs and tables before each robot cleaning session just so it can navigate around them effectively, don't you think? I'll put some debris here and I'll start both of the robots at the same time, and I'll put these debris on hard to reach spots. This is the Pro version, brand new one. I'll put it right here, and then I'll put next to it the regular model, which is this one. So the right side is the Pro, left side is the regular K10 model. And I'll start them. Okay, they're both turned on, and I'll press the power button once again to start them both. Exactly the same, they are rotating. Look at that, guys, this is the new robot. This is how it is cleaning the table leg, it is very fast. And this is the old robot. This is how the old robot is cleaning the leg. Actually, it is almost the same, but much slower, I must say. And it didn't make the full circle for some reason. They are both finished at the same time. This is impressive. And they try to return to the docking station, but there is no docking station here, and they both return to the starting point. Unable to locate the charging base. They both say the same. Let's inspect what happened with the cleaning. This is the regular version, guys, the regular K10 Plus. I'm not seeing any sign of hair or something here. Everything seems clean. Let's check the Pro version as well. Yes, everything is clean here as well. I'll remove the cover. It is a magnetic cover, and I'll remove the dustbin. Look what we have inside. Have in mind that this robot is not brand new. I'm using it for months, and the dustbin is not looking like new. This is the end result. The hair is inside. Let's check the Pro model. Also, exactly the same way that this magnetic cover should be removed. And this is the dustbin. This is slightly different dustbin. The filter is here, while on the older regular one it is inside here. I have to open this door, and the HEPA filter is inside. Here it is in front of the door, probably because of the different suction power and different algorithms that it has. I'll try to open this also. I have to push and open. Okay, this is the result of the K10 Plus Pro. Everything is inside. Nice job. Both robots did their job just fine, and I can't declare a clear winner here, so I'll give 1 point to both of them. Next improvement of K10 Plus Pro over regular K10 Plus is the new rubber brush. The regular SwitchBot K10 Plus is having a rubber brush and hairbrush all-in-one, where the brush of the K10 Plus Pro is made entirely from rubber. If you have girls or pets in your home, you probably appreciate that new improvement, because in theory, human and pet hair will not tangle as much in the rubber brush. This is the regular model. And this is the old brush. Look what happened with the brush. I have to clean it because it is very dirty. The cleaning is happening very fast. I just have to open this and then to remove it, and this is the result. It is very tangled, but it can be removed. Let's check the Pro version. It looks a bit different. I can just remove the hair like that without having to remove the brush. The entirely rubber brush is not holding much of a hair. So in case 1 I have to remove the brush and I have to clean it. In case 2 I have to turn over the robot and I have to remove the hair, if any. That's the difference between both of them. I must say that the rubber brush that the K10 Plus Pro is having is better choice, and Pro version is the winner here. Next new thing is that the K10 Plus Pro can be added in your smart home ecosystem using the Matter standard. That in theory means that if you have a smart home hub from Google, Apple, Amazon or Home Assistant, you'll be able to add the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro inside and make home automations. To enable Matter, apart from the K10 Plus Pro itself, you'll need an additional SwitchBot Hub 2 or Hub Mini Matter version, which will cost you around $60 or $70 more, depending on your choice. On the other hand, if you decide not to go with these hubs and the Matter, you can still add the K10 Plus Pro to your Wi-Fi, and you can control it from your smartphone using the SwitchBot app. Even further, if you don't have Wi-Fi or you don't want to mess with any additional devices or steps, you can simply control the robot from the physical buttons on it. Matter standard is the future, and SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro is winning 1 more point here. Next Pro improvement is stronger suction power. The regular K10 Plus is having 2500 PA, which is equal to some of the previous flagship robots such as Roborock S7 and that is not bad at all. The new SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro version is having 500 more, or 3000 PA in total, which is really good. I honestly don't know how to compare these new improvements visually in front of the camera, so I decided to check some of the current robot vacuum cleaner flagship models, such as Roborock S8 Max V Ultra, which is having the impressive 10,000 PA, and that is more than 3 times higher than the K10 Plus Pro. But the price of the Roborock S8 is around 1800, and that is over 4 times more expensive than the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro, which is costing around $420. Have in mind that the current K10 Plus Pro price will probably not stay for long, as this is so-called a new release offer, and if you want an even better discount you can check for a coupon code in the video description. On the other hand, if you are on a budget, you can check the current price of the regular SwitchBot K10 Plus, that usually can be found for more than $120 cheaper than the Pro version, and again I'll try to add a coupon code in the video description for even better discount. I'll give here 1 point for the Pro version for the better suction power and 1 point for the regular K10 Plus because of the great price/quality ratio. Apart from the improvements that I listed so far, all other parameters of the K10 Plus Pro and K10 Plus are virtually the same. And if you want more details about them, you can check my older but still relevant video about the regular SwitchBot K10 Plus. My biggest complaint about these both robots is the mopping. Have in mind that with these robots it is not recommended to vacuum clean and mop at the same time. For that to happen you need 2 runs. The first one will be vacuuming only, and the second one mopping, where you have to set no-go zones for your carpets so you don't get them wet, which is a bit of a hassle, and I hope that they improve that, but maybe in the next version. Don't walk away without grabbing my new and improved smart home glossary. You get some simple but useful explanations of the most common smart home words and abbreviations. It's free and you can download it right now on automatelife.pro/glossary. Thanks for smart home cleaning with me. I'm Kirill and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!